Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HAProxy stats and backend status on VPS. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify HAProxy stats and backend status on your VPS, begin by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use a terminal client, like PuTTY or your native terminal application, to connect to your server. Enter your VPS's IP address and your SSH credentials to log in. Once logged in, check if HAProxy is running by executing the command system.status HAProxy. This command will display the current status of the HAProxy service. If HAProxy is active and running, you can proceed to check the stats configuration. Navigate to the HAProxy configuration file, typically located at /etc/haproxy/haproxy.cfg. Use a text editor, such as Nano or Vim, to open the configuration file. Look for the section labeled Stats. This section defines the stats page properties like the bind address and authentication. Ensure that the stats page is enabled by verifying the line that starts with stats enable. Next, take note of the bind directive under the stats section, which specifies the IP address and port. By default, it often listens on localhost at port 8080. If you need external access, adjust the IP address accordingly. Once satisfied with your configuration, restart HAProxy to apply changes. Execute the command system.restart HAProxy. To access the HAProxy stats page, open your web browser. Type in your server's IP address followed by the stats port, for example, http:// your server IP 8080/stats. You may need to enter credentials if you configured authentication in the stats section. Upon successful login, you will see the HAProxy statistics dashboard. This dashboard displays real-time metrics, including the status of your backends and front-end connections. To check backend statuses, look for the backend section on the stats page. Each backend will indicate its health status, such as up or down. If any backend appears as down, investigate further to diagnose potential issues. You can also check individual backend servers by reviewing their response times and request rates. This information allows you to monitor the performance and availability of your application. Regularly verifying HAProxy stats helps ensure optimal load balancing and system health. With these steps, you can effectively monitor the status of your HAProxy setup on your VPS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.